Hello everyone, Neelam welcomes you at the Rise of Hopes. Learners, with a positive note, be ready that we are going to learn something new again that is also related with the articles, the grammarian term articles. Okay, so this is totally different from the uses of the article or the omission of the article. Here we are saying that adjective, as we know that adjective is a word which can be used as to qualify the noun or the pronoun, but even we know that adjective are the words which qualify noun or pronoun, but I am saying that adjective can be used as a noun. Can you admit it? You have to. Okay, but condition is this, that before that adjective we need to put the article. If we are using the article before that adjective, then it will be used as a noun. Still there is a confusion. So removing that confusion, then let's get going, learn together. Adjectives used as noun, how? An adjective with the before it, then it will be used as a noun. Okay learners, let's understand with the examples. First one, as a countable noun naming persons only, usually in plural. क्या कह रहे हैं हम कि काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ जो नेमिंग होते हैं, किसी ने पर्सन्स को नेम देकर, as we know that people there are many kinds of the nouns, common noun, proper noun, but here we are talking about the common noun. Means किसी को एक particular name देकर, not particular means in the general, कोई name देकर हम उनको general sense में use करते हैं and specially in plural, but countable noun means which can be counted. Okay, understand with the example, the rich. Here in the bracket I have written rich people. Rich is an adjective. अमीर, तो ये क्या है? This is an adjective. This can describe that man is very rich. वो आदमी बड़ा अमीर है. तो हम man की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं कि वो अमीर है. But here we are using rich word, this adjective, as a noun. How? Because we have used the before it. आर्टिकल द यूज करने से इसका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इट इज परफॉर्मिंग एज अ नाउन हियर. इट मीन्स द रिच मीन्स द रिच पीपल. ओके, रिच पीपल शुड हेल्प द पुअर. द पुअर इट मीन्स पुअर पीपल, बिकॉज पुअर इज ऑल्सो एन एडजेक्टिव, but we have applied the article before it. It means it changed its sense. Now it become a noun. It means not adjective poor. It's not telling us the about a man who is poor. No, we are saying in general countable noun by giving this name poor, okay, to the many persons, because I have written here usually in plural, and as a countable noun because here are the people we can count. ओके, काउंट कर सकते हैं. हमारी गवर्नमेंट करती है कि कितने लोग अंडर पॉवर्टी हैं, कितने लोग मिडिल क्लास में हैं, कितने अपर स्ट्रेटा में आते हैं. इट्स ओके. सो द पुअर, बिकॉज द आर्टिकल वी हैव अप्लाइड हियर, सो इट बिकम noun. Okay, next example you can see there is a school for the deaf, and the dumb. So here learners, the deaf, because we have applied the article here before the deaf, and deaf is characteristic of a man. वो क्या है? बहरा है, गूंगा है. So deaf is a quality, but here it is performing as noun. It means the deaf means deaf people, means this school is for the deaf people, and the dumb means for the dumb people. Okay, the dumb means for the dumb people. तो यहाँ पर ये at the both places deaf and dumb are not the adjective, but these are performing as noun because these are telling us about some people, giving them some name like deaf and dumb, but they are plural in number. Hopefully it's clear. Okay, let's move towards the second use. Second is as an uncountable noun but specially or usually in singular. जब हम uncountable noun की बात करते हैं, it can be used as an uncountable noun but here it would be in singular sense. Example देखिए, he is lover of the good, he is lover of the pure, he is lover of the beautiful. Even we know that good, pure and the beautiful, these are the words which describe about a noun or pronoun, जो किसी इंसान की या किसी थिंग की क्वालिटी को बताते हैं. But we are using these three adjective here as noun. कैसे? After applying the article before it, it changes its meaning. Okay, so just try to understand. He is lover of, वो क्या है? वो lover है किसका? The good. It means not good, means it's not a quality here. It become abstract noun and abstract noun are always considered as uncountable noun. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जिनको हम टच नहीं कर सकते, जिनको हम देख नहीं सकते, ओनली वी कैन फील, दोज आर कॉल्ड एज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. सो इट बिकम द आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द इट बिकम एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. इट मीन्स द गुड मीन्स गुडनेस इज इक्वल टू गुडनेस. ओके, अच्छाई. सो अच्छाई क्या है? आप किसी की सिर्फ फील कर सकते हैं. बाय योर नेक्ड आइज यू कांट सी, ओके, यू कांट टच, बट इट्स an abstract noun, so you can feel that is a good person or having goodness in him. Okay, in the same way the pure is an adjective but it's not used as adjective here. It means the purity, abstract noun. Okay, then the beautiful also a quality but here it is not an adjective, it is equal to beauty. सुंदरता एक abstract noun है जिसको आप feel कर सकते हैं. Okay, तो ये जो हैं थ्री वर्ड्स, इवन दीज आर एडजेक्टिव बट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द आर्टिकल बिफोर इट, इट बिकम अनकाउंटेबल नाउन और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. क्लियर लर्नर्स? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द थर्ड यूज. एज अ नेम फॉर सम पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. हम किसी एक पर्टिकुलर थिंग की, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट के बारे में जब बात करते हैं और हम द का यूज बिफोर दैट करते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाता है? इट बिकम नाउन. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, द येलो, इट मीन्स द येलो पार्ट. येलो इज अ कलर इज ऑल्सो ए क्वालिटी ऑफ अ नाउन. आई हैव येलो कलर ड्रेस, तो ये क्या है? आई हैव येलो ड्रेस मीन्स इट्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ ड्रेस इज कॉमन नाउन. लेकिन यहाँ पर येलो क्या है? हियर द येलो इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव but as noun. How? The yellow, it means the yellow part of an egg. Egg is a thing और इसका एक पार्ट, हमने कहा part of a thing, some particular part of a thing. Egg is a thing और उसका जो एक particular yellow part होता है, we are talking about that. So it become noun here, performing as noun. The yellow of an egg is very nourishing. It's very nourishing. Okay. Then in the same way the white means the white part of a thing, like the white part. So white is a color but it's not performing as an adjective but as a noun. It means the white part. And white part of what? The white part of the eye is a noun. Eye is a noun because the name of our body of part. Okay, part of body. Then so a white part of our eyes, you know that this white part. Okay, so this white part is very delicate. We know that the white part of our eye, this is very delicate, so it became noun. Even it is an adjective. So I hope learners that you have understood very well with these examples. So give your many thumbs up, share it as much as you can, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and always stay connected with us at the Rise of Hope. Thank you for watching this.